Top 5 AI stocks to buy now. What if just one investment today could benefit from the biggest technology revolution of this decade? These are 5 AI stocks that many investors are watching closely in 2026. AI revolution. Artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare, finance, transportation, and businesses around the world. Companies building the future of AI could continue to see strong demand. Global stock market. Billions of dollars are flowing into AI development as businesses race to adopt smarter technology. Investors are watching this trend very closely. NVIDIA. First is NVIDIA, a leader in AI graphics processors. Its powerful chips are used to train advanced AI models and power data centers across the globe. Microsoft. Next is Microsoft. Through cloud computing and AI integration across its products, the company remains one of the biggest players in the AI industry. AMD. AMD continues to expand its high-performance AI chip business, competing in one of the fastest-growing technology markets. Broadcom. Broadcom supplies networking and semiconductor technology that helps support the massive infrastructure needed for modern AI systems. Growth. As AI adoption accelerates, demand for advanced hardware, cloud services, and intelligent software continues to increase worldwide. Stock performance. Many investors look beyond short-term price moves and focus on long-term growth potential when evaluating AI companies. Investor analysis. Successful investing starts with research. Always review company earnings, financial health, and future business opportunities before making any investment decision. AI innovation. Every year, new AI breakthroughs create fresh opportunities across industries, making innovation one of the biggest drivers of future growth. Future technology. From self-driving vehicles to intelligent robots and smart cities, AI is becoming part of everyday life faster than ever before. Wealth creation. Long-term investing requires patience and discipline. Strong companies can create value over many years, not just in a few weeks. Risk reminder. Every investment carries risk. Diversification and careful research can help reduce uncertainty in changing market conditions. Which AI stock do you believe has the brightest future? Share your opinion in the comments.